The Mamorombe na no miensa aboye tima kosise no na bebo yebe pije mu na afedi akibia ababa beto asera madini abudiabi Michael Akomia Jenfie ofidio masaso na Bishop Atapoku aro Michael Saibodu omunyina kan edi abomane obo modena wati omunka na nkoma wodo na yetimi edi atoaso kama pa etimi edi amantini etra na ne nkoma ye baba bedino onzo the shootout no ye transise ya eya fisem no nko an ebo modern netimi didi onkoma ebo amantutu no ekoye kama pa etimi edi amount no ene ye baba bedi nkomo no na onso oboa etimi akianwona niama dadi pantu ko on Facebook no ya bomode etimi a share program no Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV na wawremo na onso no wabomode eja o message no wa receive no mebana mabebe kinkan kakra anazepo no obabo modern na wa like na wetimi a share na boa na dwumadi no ay krabre na nema akoyi kama pa so no etimi edi amount ne nkoma ye de ba no edoso ni na nze enuano media mafo akwa mu Egypt importem a omoboabo mo no ne El Ali Boboku no etimi ya bo ani na that game no eni se de mu nkomodidie no ne sietie no ni nyina mo no ye bo modern na yetimi ahwese de niam ne sietie eni de ewram ebo amantoto no etimi ekoyie na ye de ho nsensem no enso adan wona abo na hyehyɛ na koyie kama pa etimi edi amount ni nyina mo ye be na ya bo modern na yetimi edidi onkoma na bibia enso akoyie pa etimi edi amanya no so nko ye be na other news no abobo edi aba ni nyina ne se ne nkoma awudo na ena ye de baba be wura mo etimi edi amana ma sera kase renko emfama aboafo ada ni de nyina omo ekra ya se me eba ne ba betra mo eboa ma bibia akoyie kama so no etimi edi ema se that biko emfama obo hereby medical research center maka zene o akoma mu ha niema enhyara nkoyi entimi emfama o maso ya ebe ni aboa na tutuera koyie pa etimi edi amom nkomo no ene sere niema esietie no otumu zampa emu edeye papa ni nyina ne se yese ne wahase enyinya nsusuanso bi a enhyara emboa no zampa akoma no ho ya ka ze wontu anamo adabi no yero ko akwa mo bebi a emmoa ma wonso no niema nkoyie mfama ahwe kra na obaba be film tie no kan bi no bo Herbal Medical Research Center ma baba bazi na de tie nie yeso wo na unse oti no ne pai wo ga wakwa enko avezubo nse wakoma no airborne tentem mojabroso de no abomodin etimi agimu ana afi so no ewo anu won se ananse chu nan no nsa ewo ayese wabre no na afi unya pains bi wakoma no na wani so ahyase echi won obonzo okon na afi obonso no eya ade a unyinya nya ya obi a ni nyina mo no mepa choko na obo Herbal Medical Research Center emwa na ne manko ye pen fama nya no nko yarewa na bi ti sa hepatitis diabetes e bi e ti se opeba unya bi ana afi so kra nam ya ya dokro pa typhoid na wo kidney mu ha ana ulcer ni nyina mo no mo hwe ebomoden etimi etu ase enti ramuna yamwa opomo a orwani echimu adoato adumanu last stop abibia sofo maame eton ne dokono no na cheso mo ara no mo ebo adwuma na aboala ne madeda ye pa etimi ediamana mu nkomo no soro obetimi afra mo iso na ne omo etimi edidi nkomo 0257 472506 0257 472506 na 0249 761508 0249 761508 na 0550 191511 0550 191514 0550 191514 niambwa na niamande de perform ombo adwuma joda ekokosi memenda ha no pa bia no so abo ekokosi se no number boy dia pai mu no nwura mu no na ne no omo abomode eye adwuma bo amane ma dadi pa etimi ede ema no so echi no Sompa sika promotion yaka etimi era chozo de hia eneze no MTN momu no unze bia 9:30 ne bogwan ne eba ndeba betransia na wabomode star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na wawram na aboa na ne ma de ye pa etimi ede ama mu nkomo no ene sere nema esietie no ore 5 Ghana cedi eba aba bedi sika twidi a ano edin pa na ticket a obomode ato no ba ko ye 5 Ghana auto dudu ma ena udi into the fa code no to star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash nemwa na nema de ye pa ntimi emfa emao 21st kening so se men kan fan tro zebra na do be romo maso ye ne mboa na nema de ye pa etimi emfa ma kama pa na mun komo no mun chemu no e ade simple ni nyira na ze ne uyo bi a what transi ama to asinti ne twetwon ama wonante a obre ne ramu sisi echi obebi ramu enso na echi obebi adabi no one way ya na baba bebubu eno nkomo no ene efe ne sciatica na makasa 21st clinic ne sciatica nkomo de eze Real Madrid ko akwaji Champions League no ombre no maboa netimi ehontutu ni ye na bibibia akoyie pa etimi edi ama kama pa na se nete yesi ne oyare fruti so eba ne ba besu na ase no ombre ne aboa na yaso ano edi ama na so no wajiwa isa na ne omo laba okwa yedusuru so bebi aye ne hye se de sitie ne aboa na mo bibidu a ebeboa na etimi etu ase dokudoku scan services no enso ya de am netimi ekoso edi yesi ne so no obo modin a wawie adwuma na otwemu ni nyina no akonya no edo ma so beto afọ mo no akọ etimi akwaje massage no omo massage no omobo omode de machine treatment no eka ho a eboa ma bibia da ye pa etimi er ma more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye adwuma Kumasi Ahwe Overseas Junction omo bena afraid obo ase Council Quarters Kojan Shubenyo omo Accra oro ani chimo Dromi Market onyo omo Sunyane Enkranza nera fete chiman bibia omo ebo adwuma form number no eni omo eni nkomo ne yemboa na nyamande da ye pemfa mana aka hawa yet me aso ano dia ma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 no fra ye beboa na yetie wano asem konfofia manone eba ba bejo ma yaisa na wo Ghana mana boto na soko na kokojo de remboa na ne mande da ye pa etimi enfama na tete so ye hye nsem na se dia ye romo na Felix Ohinijan ejama de makremu na esibobo kunu zemre be twem no obo ejuma de ma eshu mana ne wedidi di nkomo de afa pra na opra ye no ene ne da ye nwe mu so beba nyaba be jama bo ejuma na football career na nkasa bebi opeso de kokodu ne nkomo no se no obo mo de rijai.
So good, we are playing the second league. And I'm hoping we come back to the Serie A game, which is our main priority, and we are working towards it. I want to be a great player. I want to be great in life. It all depends on hard work. So if I work hard, I believe in myself, I can meet my targets, meet my goals. You know, like they say in life, there's always ups and downs. So and I'm hoping, I'm working hard towards it. To get back on my feet, be more than what I was. I strongly believe in myself. I can do it.
Tia no ye command Felix Afinijan e bomo de Rijani na meboa na ne amade da ye pere amount your reso no be great na aboa ntoto no akoye kama pa etimi era man ye fi on ye kokoko romo all the National Sports Authority o maswe na so ni nkomo akra na nkomo no ene de abobo etimi era ma Professor Peter Chumesi ene NEC boss ene wedi nkomo era fa de akra sports to the Kennedy Charles and near man de dia from December 1 Edekono ye cruising it down now festive period no programs are all do ebe koso no yetimi sisi o serebe adwumadi no ebetimi awramna ne wedi di on komo akra on akra sports stadium see that people and nkomo jai
Grand sports stadium yes for babaji facilities are say and prepare the farmer or more calf matches no and no nka into the edible no ye more the premier division 1 no other sports events. If you only do end of the year, I can't suppose you are moving high my. And the for stakeholders thing in our money and ministries account, no the others, no money. Do December, this is cut a train October. Do December now, start December month, not here. Some of these events will be because on the clubs, no, and other friends and sporting events will be on my record, the people from Yabakwe. These are any other two. I didn't buy any new. I just found everyone say. I feel here discussing. Because it's Sana. Yes. That's possible.
That's your new year. Come on, if you pan about what they reject, as I'm part of Mudidi San Comono, Yadia Che Papa and Tia, no crown was a fee. And a sans and seven APA de Ababontin, or Mujize, a Fibia Nidunia Rambo December, no more de Echo, Edema, Team CC, I can honest and show my year, any near more with dear Remy after no, or theatre for Joe Mosomo considers Abia. Niama did the Yomba be Ramo Babara, na no so or did you come and see no bomb de Chimunamai?
I can't have to talk because of the letter in Jomutre NSA saying your person Munu Yusu Babayara. So much say a cry letter no come to cry, it's almost about 2 weeks or so. They are sure that the Great Olympics, baby, they are also considering. M1 part, almost by Ben. It was 20th October 2020. Number 1st December. the Black Princess, Black Queens. Omo match or omo. What is it? Omo match. You know.
Sompa Sports.
Eltia no ye command people na bomode etimi edi atu ya cheche muniama eni irira me boama ibibia de ye pa etimi edi mo kama mun komono ye so ye di tu ye etimi ra na me bet power Ghana Premier League no na ye ready to matches no so ebetimi akoso na mzemra ye shall see bro so anti ni city nyambo Saturday na shall see Legon Cities ebetra wafa so ga kope park no mo ene Ashanti Kotoko edi abonisa memendana nations so no ebo Karela United Sunday matches ebekoso no girls Accra folk ebo Brekum Chelsea FC Sama Tesomo ebo Real Tamale United in Suatemana FC ebo Pando Heart of Lions and Afidiana Football Club obone Accra Lions na debebo ni Bichim United so no ebo team reform BBN Gold Stars eno ye Monday ni bitimi ra matches a ya bomodin postpone no e Dreams FC ebo bofo akwata no and afi Mediama Sporting Club Limited omo and Great Olympics na de ebo ani a ebo amane ma dai ye pera mom tiza matches ne de ye be hodi on kakra na ni nyina mu ni ahwesere hyehye no ni siete and de ewuram ne sere niema esi ekọ ne de ebobo etimi ye ba meba na mababa beto ansem no so etimi edi ama na aboa na ebibi adade na mom no ya kan de acho se drinks a abedwama so a enkofo gusu eno meboa ma ebibi adada ye pre etimi ye mom ne emienu pe eno ana esmas ye didi eno ana ye bafia ye bomodin na yetimi abobobo bia eno a ena na ahoho ne ba ye kọ ne ye de akọ save o mana se nete your mixer 5G habamani ndiaba na yetimi ye de aye na edamu shronko ni na ne so onye bi na bo a onse hye papa ni na ene se ne ye de ndiaba habamba ena aka boma ye ema hode shronko cafe sembi anya ade ezo so no ewom na ne ewom no bi nie ye ogara o ma wadwen na da ye bi nyane no ene na ma school for ne pen no mpa ene o grapes o me bo modin ayam niema no etimi eye hu adwuma na jensen no eyi ti ba ebo ama ye mema ne de kra ye sizilo emu ye de sambo ama wankasa moja na edi efusa na green tea no ena ne srade na ebo ama baby girls no body shape no munya ne ye nturo ro mo baby a ode be no energy drink bi e be ha bi ade ko na kokoji mixer 5G ejuma na yene ade a na no edin ye papa enye no nko ire omo na di mizo fruit drinks aba na organic fruit susu a emu ede ye papa fruit no nso no abomode akeka di abom ne se de sitie no ama ade ni mu api enwumro kokko nante ana oba obetimi enye bi anoma onze ya na wa me kama pa the organic fruit ne bi orange mango apple pineapple melon and afri grapes ne dia ka kan nyina ye de bi abomode aka mizo fruit drinks ne wa ebu edeye pa to de ramu e wodwama so na kokoji bi na miamia wodo na wo Ghana ha obomode na poso na mwe e beboara on say timi aka 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 1063480 1063448 ni ambwa na ne manko ye mfa mama ni Daniel ewo 21st clinic ehua overseas obomodena wajibi ono bi kan supermarket on sabet mi aka sister sewa obo ejuma papa na fi mama Esther oru na chemo atcom Royal Ventures no after Baptist University bwakwa obajimi PNC Ventures no ewa anomanji taxi station also charity hospital benyame na Sachi Enterprise no oru ani chemo asafo abinchia also VIP car park no ye boana wajibi ono na ne makoyi pa etimiera mama me abe zemen kamfan chose ya wa hudo bia no bra na bra be Roman asoe na dwumadi odi no ene ne amo abomode de atoto na kwamu na boa ama nkofu pi etimi enyoma ya isa ne omudwom na so a ne makoyi pa etimiera ma no ye bema na jeze ne ne man sharan de di etimi emfa ma ni nanse o prostrate no ha wie papa ma awdwon so ana adini mu ache na afesu kra no ewo a o dize dwonso de okwa obre ni nyino hwe etimi eso ano nye no nko wadini so a opeze ebola ma mene be boana wa ma de no mu ayedu pa na che transition no from Wiser to Beam Nation na nema adayere ama low spend count wo be na we di fi onam yare no obomode a mema na so no di fi baby girls no zo no muntie makaze ya na mo de no ehiami o enye ze bia say but unze baby girls ni nyame bom special pa di no ye nyade bi ye secret kakra awose ye bomode ne ye share de ma mo sere be ya niama be koyie na ma waye no ene mo mpana twe no wahunam ne boys ni nya we ne kama pa bara ya na edalu kakra ne na ya aba behwe no okọ na bunse kwabna aba behwe no okọ na kwaku aba behwe no okọ na kofi aba behwe no okọ onimra nso no na omahwehwehwehwe saa hwe oba bia na afi no ade na ye mre ade so che ade san nyina so ne ye nyini enti komamia bi ono mboa na mfi ono on sisi o kama pa na me aye bi obi ano obekle de fi obosome so obunsa na account dua sa o nyina o hwe na wo netimi de fi o eri amana fi fiber ni no hwe e bomode etu ase na twa ya ba ko a enim guase agunkofo be brenim ase e wo krudema na ma me na so ye no kwa a simple mass or bena wabomodi timia so ano na afi so no osambo ama sickle cell ho sensem no otimia so ano okwa sickle cell test or scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site or apatrapa junction number no 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 02506 460208 0506 460208 0506460208. Now, Mamia Bimwa, Nanya Mandida Ye Pen from out of Rosia Country, almost supporters, and it's a weekendy. I'm a game against Brecum Chelsea no gate in on Sesemo. Senate here, popular stand at 20 Ghana, center line 40 Ghana, lower VIP 60 Ghana, upper VIP 80 Ghana, and a VVIP, and so 100 Ghana.
Sompa
and Senate here, yes, so Baba Birama, the commercial center, and I still don't get to one more than a hard copies, no. Yet me aton bi ho anase po no o bomodi na wa you see the e-ticket na a star 711 hash star 711 hash na boa na nema de ye kama pa etimi the amount ye no yo mugema omuni Brecum Chelsea de bebo ani no na ni no ye didi de on koma boa nema da ye pa etimi ma coach Evans Augustine Adote ejamu netimi ma bobuko a ye from Mediema Sporting Club Limited o mo ramu Egypt pato o mo ne Ali Bobuko ne de ko akwa akobena mun komo no ene ebizana ze na ne omukọ koko ramu no se na ne mesitie alifo no bomode adwo omo fa so ana na on reception alifo no de mo omo na kwan omo fa so receive omo no se no de nkomo ni jai.
Sporting Club yesterday embarked on the journey to Cairo. We set off at 2:15 between 2:15 2:30 until arrival in Cairo. Well, landing in Cairo, we had good reception, apart from a bit delay on our visa on our arrival. Well, two of El Hali officials met us at the airport and then guided us direct to our hotel, that is Radisson Hotel. As I speak, I will commend the Egyptians for their warm reception yesterday until this morning as I speak. Accommodation perfect, feeding good. And then I would say hotel, like I said earlier, excellent. The reception is good, I must say. Earlier.
Etiano ya come up in parable mo de after no. If that no mo kodi e ho weather na nkasa send city. And also say no kache.
Before coming to Egypt, I was looking at the weather because 3 days back we did arrange, according to the information I had from Egypt, Cairo. We trained at the Kumasi Sports Stadium between Ghana time 7 and 9 p.m. And arriving here, the weather looked normal because I was here last November. As compared to this current situation, there is a bit difference. The weather is not too cold, so I will take it. So this evening, we are training this evening, so we'll see how the weather goes.
Etiano ya komo bomode eri tuja cheche muzampa. Whether no kai time obo ni ni awasen akwakurum na access se kakra enso ewo mu na after no ebizaze ezia preparation omudi ramu game no send is here and also obo the preparations no say no common jai.
All that I want to say is I know Al Ahly to be the giant of the continent I mean Africa. They are rated #1 in Africa when it comes into research competitions. I see this game as David and Goliath affair. If I'm David, then I have to prepare enough to go against Goliath, as it did happen in the Bible. Come Saturday, I know most of the presenters are looking at us as underdogs. Let me tell you one secret. Anything can happen on Saturday, but to me as a coach, myself and my technical coaching staff, we plan to map a strategy that will prevent Al Ahly to come all attacking game. I know Al Ahly to be a team, especially one area I'm looking at, especially this afternoon, is Al Ahly, they want to start the attack from the back, with force you to come out in a pressing manner, and then they'll hit the ball behind you. This is one of their tricks, I know. They are also used to press when it comes into defending. They will not allow you to play. They will make sure they keep you at bay in your half, so that on transition, they will come direct to goal. All that I need to do is psych my boys, tell them, let them be aware that we are playing against Goliath. We are David. Trust me. By close of Saturday, the game, you will see different medium Goliath fighting Al-Hali.
No. The coach is in the coach is where the Ali for a chache. To him, so we see bomb bono. Neniama be bromo yet. He was really young to Bazi when I say David ni Goliath. Omo talk no munya no biazo David ye. Now Brown umping for crab then amfa. Wana baba be ye say akwarawe so abetimi aye adwuma no nanso okọ ekoku adwuma no rechi no odi nkomo fa ne mrante miensen ekoku si akan the Mount Black Stars of Ghana Jonathan So Abdullah Nuruddin afino Nino Fatah Hamid na owe sele nema no osi akan ase no obomode ka sele fa ne mrante no.
Now that these guys are with the team, let me go back again, because coming here I traveled alongside 21-man squad plus 10 technical staff. So Fatawu and then Nuruddin joined the team back from Comoros. So as I speak, I'm here to see their fitness level at session today. Even the coaches plan to train them or give them different training. Playing with the Black Stars, they were on the bench, they didn't play. Others played against Kumasi and Kotoko. So we need to get these three guys ready for the game on Sunday. And I will come out openly that I'm using these three guys come Saturday. Now that
Etiano ye come up with Panaboma there to Yana, only you know so secret via, and then in your secret via near Barber share. Now, San Common Sin and so diche.
I mean, I'm a most secret before Ghana the Comoros match. Na me mpa bo ade senka me nkoda yi me sai se me nuka be nya abobia abe motivation ama wo mo e bi ni sai Al-Hali wo mo 4 players a wo mo minimum so mo national team mu Ghana yen so ye wo me nsa ho but wo mo nya kwanya na ambobi except so obenya playing time 6-7 minutes and he coming back e wo ye continent so yi me catch up people me the boys here dia they are ever ready to prove say the next game Black Stars I can say piano only ready so many playing time and be among the start list and Saturday mom said these boys no ready and I just say started from the bench I was start list and then near first training or Egypt yeah the boys no more and Saturday no and start list no.
Eti the code in the secret naba. Secret ni na say mrantie me nsa na ye from omo ehwe ze ni ma be da ye create me da momo na bibibia akoyi ye next call up na ye san from momo akọ start e ozi na after training no ba assess omo sa ahode na wo a o de ombe ram na game against Ali no omo jomo na so etimi abodwuma na bibia akoyi pe da mo na crowd Kumasi Asante Kotoko prepare the second window no so omo sabe can players be ram na Omoni omo etimi aye adwuma nti ene jeze Emmanuel Kote obo adwuma de mansu atreman omo ahya se didi no nkomo na mze Kote hu asem de open o Ghana atia ya komia wunya de ba bia Emmanuel Kote eti eni no omo hwe se right back no benya no so bra e ma be join omo ni omo entimi anya adwuma eze omo tu ana mo nkra ra mansu atra komo no omo didi akwa ni mu kakra nya ono nko Ibrahim Imoro su kokko adwuma de ma Al Hilal Omdurman e wo Sudan Patemo na mze be bring the contract no or terminating on new free agent on also the dinner baba betuga and after so no oru ani so chema prince ozu kwabna on the cra na emese nanka omo no somra e mama me join omo na oni omo nantimi embo adwuma e wo season e ba be sha ase na so no omo pushi ya niama nande da din so obeba na wa ba be join omo na afi Dominic Nsobila so din baba be wrama no so no report nature woman in na cheap and so me ram na good news no say as it bibia de dadia next year ram of February na pe na Nicholas Mensah Mickey ene asotwe na the bomb de atwe boy na so no na chese na akọ etimi edi apem ne ade a na ene no ono so sen ababa be join omo ne omo etimi aye adwuma eti January ne so ye de na so no ma sha se didi nkoma ye pemrante e beba be jam ni o mabu ejuma na nema adadi pa so etimi ra mo me dia na bibia boko de
ya me adom abudia bibia de dadi
e say before so the thank you message na ba for coach Frimpong Manson
oni ni pa na wa jam pa na kwa oni ko thank you
nanti obi njo obi kwa ma hu say omo teta no na so mo yakotwe thank you
masa
when you jam kwa be ensem de jawo hai prosper.
Yes. Wa komiazo omujo obi kwa ni afa thank you ama na wani abre any coach akona
Michael said in Jano
why is only nan chen kakra
they are even going to pay him for that period. Yes. Frimpong Manson said you a penny brawa born football me ni hu kwan be bia se metena se me tu ne fu so what I say me ata me te he no me nye sure say ma bobre du pempenso bia ma di football na chi kakra we ni the ultimate football experience.
Yes.
Wa born national team na bokotoko abo Black Stars
kuma ya so no
what I say Frimpong Manson na ball to the very highest level, okay?
Serious.
So like on one basis na make say le chema dia cheno like me no me edin. Nemum e bia no nim nyama ba ko mienu bia na esi wo nadwuma no and ho na mebo to kurura na maka bibia cheno ene.
Mature me ba o ma me fa komi ansha se na me bra. Why? And I mean switch you.
One fact tuto.
Okay. Gonna tell you.
Yes, I will.
So for being in no matter the competence, bisa won say nipa no obetimi ene no aye dwuma bom. It's not about quality alone, ntini efa nipa wa dwuma mo. But can this person submit? Can this person complement? Well, obi enim Safuka to Ghana. Safuka is more than qualified to be a substantive coach of a Premier League club. His experience, his certificate, and his wherewithal. They are the same say. Frimpong Manson is assistant coach, no. Frimpong Manson can't send triple player and assistant coach, no, so I can different.
Yeah, that is here.
No.
Okay, I'm side to example BBS Ukuma.
Yeah, you must are okay.
Example when BBS
driver and this is what the car they call tech. This is your pie junction so for life. Now we bra we na kasano. Ebe kwen. Ke to so mami. Onukwa denche.
That's it we see. Adeba ko ntimi amazebo an survival Kumasi Asante Kotoko ba ko. Yeah.
Zebo ba Kotoko.
Yeah.
Niama na ekoso. Na hwan na ni.
On say as a coach, over express your view in French. Over carry nipa na over translate to the players and see another different thing altogether.
But Zebo over san bagana.
Sompa Sports.
Oka say wo ba no. Me matete san sem no. But Zebo ka say wo ba no. Asema wakata to ne say ofa ni English lesson serious.
No dia ba. No dia bagana. Bi jo bondin wa ze.
Busa wo say di nti na Zebo say ofa ni English lesson serious ansa no dia ba. On say ya ha no ye set ni ye system no. Ka teams ni benya na nka ya won wa say ofa coach na coach ni na assistant ni na ye dey. Eba. Say the be ma adwuma no ahon keka so this is done everywhere. Ebia even in European teams no so mbeja bi wom kra no mutimi ja baako na wa wodo assistant baako asa ye dey. Aba the most trusted person abetimi na gina bench. Iti you look at Bofakwa. Maybe we say Ankasa Safuka show when e ba Bofakwa.
Safuka show.
Frimpong Manson e buy.
Tabi. And I am Frimpong Manson so we should
have one problem no. And one problem dey tin o say coach gina nchen o my instructions. No ohia mo a this okọ team physio ho ana akọ one team physio akogina akodi nkomo busa na say yenye ndey. And the genesis of the whole issue any birthday same be a bam ema obi koche chocolate bi ema dreamy bird chire so obi pay players no ho asem sanoma we nyina na kofa sanse mo nyina they say adwuma ni nyina no. But whoever brought Safuka through to Bofakwa on a Hami club nipa no de Safuka through ba Bofakwa no on a Hami club
no eno ni ma de ba ko a me nso me rere ma sante every man so be senior players be within the team.
Yes.
Every so poku money sa we no no. Obae no. Obe football no be do no or the ombe ram be at least. Or sa young guys in the bishop unse or more makunya no betimi ayewe. But per report na jezi do be na assistant coach no so senior players no. Aizo mu move along. Komodi de anything ba say me anka bia mema mabo bishop bounce anka money be me anka mema mabo.
So automatically no as assistant coach ni prove say he is the one Mr. Goodman.
Yeah, and we dey
ni paboni ni. And when him say those things are stories that are out there, but main issue ni say nipa no kofa asafo Castro say on be assistant to Frimpong Manso nipa kro na mo abofa kwa enne anawchina. That person should be questioned first. Ka wo probi krampo osan ko di kan kwa asa na coach si bi no akọ osan kasa nipa kro ne ko. Onu wadi team na mia pa. Oh, for obi ama na be assistant. You should do thorough investigation, background, understand so obi abete ne ho ase. Who say there's going to be a level of cohesion, they are compatible before you take such decisions.
Sompa Sports.
You don't just take decisions. A Syria na fe de oba be good man. Me no, me fa blame massa for Castro nem fa manage na. Me fa ma Frimpong Manso nem fa manage na. They might have their personal issues and only one check, but whoever appointed Safo Castro to be an assistant to Frimpong Manso did not help the club. One more club no. Going forward no, and the omune wa bra ba be remu Premier League. Then mama san your marketing getting just mistakes, administration mistakes, top level mistakes. Na fe ya ba be affect team ni na fe bi so ba be ko. You play bi one ma o Safo Castro asempa ho. You play bi one more Frimpong Manso asempa so one more bobo ama no. Oko. And Abu, if you speak to some coaches, they'll tell you some more players on bomb when they are not there. Those players no campo na they are man ye hunu yes so na the star man of the team. Na coach we no pan asem na say coach ne kwa what the team player na moral never from so team performance na ba from go na key man.
But as a man or from no man coach or man.
They heard your mobile. Some mistake they shouldn't repeat it again.
That is yeah on the iron pressure on pressure nimsa. Bona me ko di command and visa there. Why this time? Era omo wa me example says I'm real we no. Omo only say league matches e cause but advantage omo one is there. And come next game on bebo. Omo ni Dreams FC. Dreams in Ghana. Oko Tunisia. The weekend the omo match. Omo next match on bebo no. AMT and FA Cup. Second division team was from Oxford bi omo ni omo na bebo. So no.
Pressure
but in room now chia a day in media. Na bofo nya coach oba
and omo ake kan koso na mistakes no more repeat then also come as and take up to the name January so almost
site players
almost players be do come you see Kote I'll be very surprised if Maso could be January uncle
why
on say Kumasa and take up to okay say Maso so war Lagos City so mo try Michael Ampedu
yes
Sompa Sports.
Michael Ampedu was a key player for Maso Kunodu in Lagos City. This is also a key player for Maso Kunodu in their setup omo question is say at least top 4 Kwampo league in Mombeti my day or more fine form. They've been consistent enough. And in BBA, they have consistent backline, consistent midfield. Injuries in shed and TT or more. It's two games no more, but they are there. And I'll be very surprised that Kumasi Asante Kotoko now they could Tamana or Barofi Tamale City Bana. Those issues in the sorry need those things in Yanakotoko right back here. Then the sheriff in a Japan able. Sheriff no right back. So that was the moment Kotoko should have planned ahead, made sure say at least Ubeni will be obeying in Japan. Abe pray. Kotoko man sign right back.
You're more you be free.
It's always a pekuti.
I'll be on my phone.
Because we say when you break, say Uncle maybe you're I'm just only hoping say this is just mere football negotiations here, just at the tip, but not necessarily deep. And I said by force such internet try Kotoko is so obsessed in getting Kuti. Coach in the party came is there. And number 2, coach in the side Kuti, I want you ready to accept whoever Kuti is.
How?
Oh yes, good players comes with their character.
No be honest.
Team men cast Kuti in Paboni, men fashion.
Men cast na my cast in Paboni.
But on say
characters and I chose a new be honest.
On say afa. On say to the bia Envan say Obi Suban bi nye dey. Asia. and yes, we abu so o lifestyle we should be always be a woni suban Asia
asem na wo me men ka se kutu suban the whole can is bishop prof asem yo ka uti bi de also good player comes with character na me see you obi anete sa
and you obi anete
and you good player bi anete
oh yes
player bu bishop olo and the grass over nyana no asem
oh yes of course but deep down say all the players bishop have gone closer to most of the good players ojam offer most of the good players are bishop winning more omo attitude pa
footballers there I never compare how
omo attitude pa
how na bia na how
omo attitude pa itiabu dia me jitu me ne say wo fa ko tere dia na say ho akade le dia because me imagine ko te pa dia Tabale City do maybe and you look at the charisma of Max Okrodu how you can handle such players then you compare to Prosper Ogum how I handle some players be Subani be yes at some point in time and the conference to deal with them no you see say they was signing the name so ho adwuma pa Prince o mani abe o jama mate bo no so ana itibo na na kotoko besa kotua na
kado moni abre mo
ise kura do mo say hia ska
moni abre mo
Prince ana no ska no besa pija
Prince obetime nka wa ochina
o besa pija ska ni ti bia di fo no mu nya mu peche mfa ma in Sobila ye investigation dey tia Sobila nya ntu kwan wo kroma ye be mo hu dey tia Sobila nya ntu kwan ise Sobila na ne kotoko 7 no but imoro and among less now aboni nyina me I feel say likely say very feasible but no cry no discussions have not gone to a certain extent bia ejitumi say to materialize he loves the coach and the coach we say so not try or kunya the call
let's the Fatau Mohammed Fatau be the Fatau
Amante Madidi
they engage the omo court in the pa
Fatau so yeah he learning now for Portugal
okay are you top signing
Fatau yeah definitely
but Fatau is somebody they are engaging
yeah
seriously
Fatau and the master baby share
Fatau percent call mediama percent Fatau in some bomo he's not saying yes because of the Omaka channel.
Abu Fatah wouldn't be a bad sign. And unya immoral. If
Fatah is a very good sign.
Oh yes.
And it would also escape him from Nicolas Mensah.
Aye. Send na kameka show back on the master never. On the master Nicolas Mensah. It's a trading grass a very time. But this particular dinya or the ama na realistically kakotoko nyomwa me these signings will improve the team massively
na number 2 for na Canada one
but mo makam e ba sana wo sai kote a nipa na wato ruturu ya ke say wo sebo su ne tereku itimoro ba omo so
akwa de ke 2 and 3 post omo de omo ni house 2 no ezi omo ye eyi wadam fi ala
adasa
ona abodu so ho na ogese japo so na ba kore fe ni ishak fusi omo ye 4 no Sompa Sports and I think the left back no ye 3 nana benyi John Tiriku na Nicolas Osebosu te o so na ho ye ya mudi no
na se osa so ban finfin wonom na now o starter ya in team menu One Sheriff Justice Blay is going to be used more as a center back and as a makeshift right back because the coach to them they need to manage because midfield you run a lot of defense and at least ube nyanko form be boa kakrama why stable ti Blay will play a keep it midfield no crowd is out but what is Sobila ba that means in team men no so na obody bia and in team men ba could become on the Michael Damena asana lamte wunyina Rashid not so start training no
kwawa
was started training say anwem won say no anwem
ko be no no player
no ko one player
Rashid Norte
ada kotoko release statement bi say onyo player bi mana
Bishop Rashid Norte
kotoko release statement bi say onyo player bi mana over and Rashid Norte na be there be missing kotoko release statement bi say onyo player
na za Rashid Norte kotoko
Rashid Norte na mu kwa waka chiro say onyo kotoko player bi
me question na me bi za o
to so far as kotoko release statement Rashid Norte carry them me still see as a kotoko player
no
bien no now no so you training no so na kotoko ni o man bi na share
as any former
any former na no share me dey ma dey
awo gu o de so you ta dey
eluza no ta dey
o dey training Bishop now fi me Rashid Norte ade
pam just ni ba ya omo share no omo nya no
that's Eba via how dey call and drink watch.
Hey, that's okay.
Ngeti cheche Rashid not tane. Oyo kotoko player.
Ross. Makuzukuru in Paris.
Yamakuru.
No, dia bezo oyo kotoko player.
Me say so far as baby abi mi gina nie. So far as Kotoko release statement.
But do they need to release a statement?
Yeah, and Rashid not his own cash.
Also, how many years? No more witness here, no more to them. But we have to.
I didn't have no more witness contract. No more to them. But who can't say before?
Kobana woni mi di nembo.
E ko ba le lu.
Makakum.
Aha.
E wo hwehwe mu ni ade ade.
Aha. Rashid not the only Kotoko there is.
It's all offer. Better say allo pre o kalisi. Gala yira tedi.
Rashid
bloggers in YouTube for obi etwa akọ is a watcher.
Serious issue in blast.
Watcher omo bo. That is a post show look like hakofo. Edi Rashid Noti. Me nim say on canting no ziti. Wajaya na access to a player.
Rashid Noti ankasa de Kumasa Santiko wore ni show say. Amuni no oduma di edi. Yeah. Yeah. Show say Kumasa Santiko from Nkuma me di wo chi Nkuma me di wo club ni.
KK Nyabutra.
Rashid Noti ni Kumasa Santiko to ko isem de.
Dey na si.
Mo say except you are the plan na no we pra. Ana me boa. Plan no we pra de wo. Ana coach ni ba. Coach no player bia ni ho no ma coach na have a discussion in terms of the role or expect say the Pakobe play how the coach wants to do. E can be na some of the players they started pre-season ni dey man join the team. Mo ala say nkomo course between on the coach. Rashid not nkomo course. Obi oji 2 years over team the coach na yeduma the person continues.
And a coach about you what's contract no more. Come on.
Abu, you see we are in a certain terrain within the football has a Okroma say ya. Obi pese obe a burden because when you say be am a bar mean your opportunity be am more this am. What's the coach going to make a player say you won't get a number of minutes you want. For example,
player
for example, Ten Hag and James Gunn. I know James Gunn about him. He was saying he spoke with Ten Hag. Honestly, Obisan said he will with team me a day. Send Obenya Biabo. James Gunn across a pre-season. Long cut pre-season or class. You have to find a coach in decision. So
Bishop family.
Sompa Sports.
Kaka.
Now watch now.
The remove for
No pass.
Send me what fun na time. No, the man of facilities.
Me na me cheta.
No fun in him get to catch everything. It was also to do what me can
me.
Okay,
and I'm a chet.
Mathematics
is all per time.
Yeah.
This have 7 months. Now for Africa over but over
I trust a kufu anotia. Or evidence. It will be BBS. Abu, if I start to tell you 7 hours they should manage expectations. Start texting the which batch Alali bits by highlight. Alali bits by Abu. Where? What TV for TV?
That is it. Oh, as you walk out of all colors. What is Alibaba? I highlight.
Abu also Otimi for TV.
Sompa Sports.
You know, we're all qualified for Betiana. Citra. What then I'm home. The entire makers are saying you can know whatever you have to know about a certain team. I saw only France say, "Come on, say Mbappe direct."
Yes.
When you say Mbappe there or the mobile free, but the issue is the quite ben have first was for Mbappe.
At the end,
90 minutes, you know. Ubeti mi Mbappe quite. You can try, but you see, I love his confidence. If you ask Yankasa or Honor, also in your self confidence. Media man Kasano, this season Yankasano tie right here more of so they can also do some things. But I believe the tonation, the approaches, they should be humble enough in terms of their approach and then you might be able to come into such games. Very humble enough. I was happy so I David and Goliath. Nature was a better tactics. So my boy highlight.
They man in China tactics.
So what was one who allowed tactics? Miss Metiano, my Jesuit, I should be assessing both teams. What I say? Yes, we are assessing both teams in now.
Oh, Nasa Canada,
on set was I can't horse. I
can't move, but who's that coming?
On set a foot was actually party says so.
This is already say.
The Bias had you we yo. The Bia we yo.
I have gone from tea. Me no me coach no confidence no de casa.
Me casa
and clearly Nensem no can say wa hwe alifo no any tactics or the be sure.
Okay, and I'm saying say
but I'm training.
And I'm so okay they should be humble enough going into such games. Me no, I have to be very honest with you. Me if I will put my money me catch Obia so Bianco Stadium go games. obi amfa ne support in time media match. I'm fully confident in the home games and media mabebo.
Oh, okay.
Extremely confident. Abu, I can even say it's a baba yara. Obi a baba yara be game piano. Put it at the back of your mind. Media man lose.
Yes.
Draw crab very difficult. I wouldn't be surprised if media man fan 9 points in now if you pa. I won't be at all. It's more cost stadium now. More fancy with home games. It is for media man. It is for media man. You are going to do a job for media man. But in the away games, media man should be humble enough going into such encounters. With 3 years, then if I say you are humble enough, it's in Adrian is will be three for so. A quarter na atiminya draw bi. Now shock you be what they can want 10. In the CAF Champions League, 10 points is the standard if you want to qualify. 10 points is the standard if you want to qualify. And I wouldn't be surprised if they can't put me cover draw campo alia. Ali na kasa do mo form nya na say.
Yeah, o Saturday be o mo aduma.
So ni Ali na kasa form ni o mo form ni sheda nya za.
O me abotre. Saturday yes every.
Anya wa na say.
Me na me say dem.
One na say say a coach every 30 sin ade ade.
Ana me say Saturday be me dem afon aduma. Ano wa say na me. E be elif.
Also
e ma no na form ye. Be elif won aduma. Saturday.
Matilda.
Robe hu bo Kofi Asma mo ni kujo mo ni eyibo.
Sompa o yes blaster players aba.
Pesita o mo ni.
Say so aba.
So aba.
Nurudin o.
Ena fatal.
Guy who keep facing Okobi.
Then.
Ofriki face last season.
Like na zeri.
Baturi.
Baturi is also.
Baturi Okobi.
Oh, my name so a part of that on our team.
Though I'm counting on such players, their experiences and their level not to help. And I was a fatal much the reason why I blast.
I mean, our team names so much in.
And Sana.
More.
Hey, Abu. I've even forgotten. They have one key solid player, Jean Vital Orega. He's the man. Hamadu Mabok Akobo. Oh, Abu.
Jean Vital Orega.
Bishop.
Me da sipi na say me twa ne taw. If you ask we no to the be our dreams and be who are especially if you look at the fact that Bofokwa started the season so well. Now at some point Bono Kokos no Bofokwa na elidi ana man for cra kasese na nemasi ko die league ne top 4 ni nyina Bono for na but ankobanisa there was always going to be a reality check. I feel about Bofokwa free Division 1 ABA League for so many years. But Dobi say, why would you want to implode? I would want to find the right message for this so that I can actually say it and say it well. That the implosion would be self-inflicted. So, and you say, Obi netini baby na, but players need to be mobile. Look, and some now more can. The management of the situation after Benjamin York mess no, how the entire club managed that.
Yes.
I'm match no boy Benjamin York near me you be uncle Bonsha or yes or
money go stars.
So you could see that managing the players and the team had become a bit problematic for them.
Sompa Sports.
But I hear me say a team that is just back and EJ will be paying. Now we are going to have another coach. And then what? Me who say Bashaka only stars for the moon they fly up here to and some Castro them. Mr. Rebisa. Dada na say for.
Dada.
Good. So what are they going to do? You get it? The guy said Godfrey Akotobo for catch him say I'm first round in we. Now from Paul Manson every buff. I'm going to find that tweet. Godfrey Akotobo. So I'm surprised in equal measure. So much mama de Akotobo for Kayano. But my bigger worry in all this is that to what end? But for fans and there I'm gonna know pay 15 million.
I'm say something Guyana.
Sompa Sports.
Now you can't amount for it. I said, coaches. You are going to attack their own coach.
Almost distance in normal share.
This is they've attacked the Star Times camera crew.
Yes.
They've attacked some of the players for their performances. And now we come attack a mom coach. Near Okaso, the Amuye, the Munjaino. I don't know one in the cocoon. How do you deal with that? How? Did you say a cost of sa? Okay, oh yeah, then no one saw. It's very important. Saying in a better, I say, for me, it's neither here nor there, but when it's to market. Prosper Ogun, players are open. Who's in the press conference knockout?
Sompa
Final
Sports.
day of registration, they were still talking to players to register them. The Akotoko in some way admitting team is not up to speed. To be here more. To whom more is given to, most is expected from. So I say, so Okono Okoji players need become mommy way. Look, the performance must improve, Dr. Ogun. Say the players need in Amawa. Also improve.
Yes.
It has to improve. The performance levels hasn't been good. It has to improve. It has to.
The Premier League, first coach is Jana Kwanye.
And to say, we just sack letter for my class any day.
Sompa Sports.
Ourselves from any conversation that want to push that he's been sacked. He's not been sacked yet.
The 11.
Yeah.
Now, Bishop.
Mira.
Go players. And also,
I don't know a coach in the technical team. Ghana, I want a coach is saying.
I'm not more coaches.
It is some more players who do I say then. Look at their normal back room.
Come on, also.
Yankofa video analyst, me know I'm not account. Yankofa.
Yes.
Then coach no money. No ba or bench no say o mo koso.
They do ba obi mo ba.
Bet ni ho.
Oh.
Oklo ni ho.
Oh.
Pa coach no ni ho.
Oh.
David. So, Juba mo ni ho.
You know.
Sompa Sports.
Okay, you've got to give results. Got to go 4 right backs, 3 left backs, almost center backs. How many people have that luxury they have? They've got to improve. That the performances has to improve.
Now, what I'm feeling about on Bobby now. Yeah, down.
Good. Our ho Sharif for her. Elsu ho. Nuruddin ho. Omo obi mu achi. Nyo mo anu no. Omo center backs on 5.
Be what you
Who they check? Come fifi I wait for the zero send no money. Madam for the friend is Ziggy.
Ziggy. Ofo Ziggy.
Oh eh?
Oh.
Ntin se kotoko sign here bi ma. Nye na ebe tu on for so kotoko mo hwe na mo mpa mo ma bi nko. Se na be a ebi so ba be hwem. They know their squad planning better than anybody. But when team give players the performances is not going to improve. I'll check. It has to improve. As a matter of fact, it has to improve.
I don't get see Japan Kwana. Or Kwana.
On baby, performance in from.
Get a point. They say
I'm right back a standard I'll guess in Japan.
I mean, I say
oh, you have to be honest.
All right backs for. Naba performance now. Free na kazo mu bigger. Na mo sa na atoto sa how za akoto frala.
Adasa. And they just is blame Sheriff le boat to a train anu. Just is blame Sheriff.
No, but me how they say me about Bishop. Say Eduana mu ho. Na ma we say attack is ya mu wa mu she goes mountains here. First na nya akomia. Onyo bibi ba obasan akoto fufu mu. Ana ozo bara ve. No one can know.
I saw Monaco. We be last season and fast. Yeah, you're gonna for that.
Sompa Sports.
So because it's a track is Beji League.
Richard Mahama
go fast strikers be buy so Beji League.
So guy am fan if he Olympics.
Tintin Gazero. Oh, Kramoni boy.
Oh, Kramoni. Refinity. I was all kinds of striker.
I never Lukaku.
Dia la come o abro.
Meu vá.
Ordinary.
Ediara. Bishop Babro. Babro.
Ordinary. So you see, for me, the good thing about all this thing that we are talking about, we'll come back to Augustinado thing in 7 hours. But for me, Casanini come for one. Asalam Park.
I'm not a very cheap. But it's not a new issue.
Sompa Sports.
Eminence. The Akibia to us, the Amachina, Ishia. The Bomb on the Car to us. Yadamunas.